ChatGPT-5 versus Gemini Ultra. Which AI is the best in 2025? AI is getting smarter in 2025. But which one is the best? ChatGPT-5 or Gemini Ultra? Let's find out. ChatGPT-5 is OpenAI's latest model, designed to be more intelligent, faster, and better at reasoning. It now supports real-time research, advanced coding, and even voice interactions, with smarter responses, live web search, and support for voice and images. It's a powerful tool for productivity and creativity. But here comes Google's Gemini Ultra, a powerhouse AI built for deep reasoning, multimodal understanding, and seamless integration across different apps. It's designed to handle complex tasks and provide more dynamic, context-aware responses. So, which AI do you think is better? Let me know in the comments.